Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the best data visualization tools right now on the market that you can check out for yourself. So the first one is Microsoft Power BI. So this is kind of like the market leader in data visualization and business intelligence. It's cloud-based and on-premise capabilities, a wide range of standard and custom visualization formats, and you can have like plenty of gallery. So important thing, it can kind of like struggle with large data sets. So it's kind of like the most popular one on the market that you can actually like see for yourself and try if you like it. But if you don't know it, now you know. What is great is that you can have also the free desktop version that is kind of like limited, but it's possible for you to try it out, and it's limited to 1 GB uploads, and premium allows up to 10 GB, but it got free accounts, so that's good. Now the next one that I want to share with you is called Databox. So with Databox, it's easy to use business analytics platform aimed at growing businesses. So for the pricing, what is great is that you can have the monthly here, and you can actually like start a free trial without a card to see how you actually like it. So it centralized company data, so you can actually like view overall business health in one place. And it got like radial progress, spider diagrams, horizontal bar charts, bubble charts, and many others. And you can have like plenty of products here. So when I'm going to show you, also what is great, you can have like integration, data preparation, no-code metric builder, goals hill, a dashboard, benchmarks. So it's kind of like the complex app that you can actually try for yourself, and it get like one-click template for immediate use, notifications through Slack email mobile app, and benchmarking against similar companies to identify strength and improvement areas. So that's great, and Databox is like very popular app, so that's something for you to actually like check out. Now the next one is Tableau Desktop. So with the Tableau Desktop, what you can actually see here is that it's kind of like the pioneer in self-service business intelligence data visualization. It's very popular one. When you're gonna see the pricing at the buy Tableau right here, and you can actually like get connected, and you can have like the pricing calculator, and you see it's kind of like the expensive. But yeah, that's for the Tableau for right now, like the Salesforce. And for that, it blends and integrates data from different sources, creates a wide array of visualization from basic charts to complex geospatial maps, offers guidance on how to best use each visualization type. So Tableau is also interesting. Now the next one is also Visme. So this is kind of like the data visualization tool that goes beyond data, full set of design tools included. And as you can see, you can have like documents here, data visualization. So it's just not only that, but you can have also data visualization there. Ready to use templates for social media reports, sales reports, goal projections, live data visualization, interactive data visualization reports. So that's another one. Then also we got like Zoho Analytics. So Zoho Analytics, it's comprehensive data visualization software, integrates and analyzes data from over 250 sources, imports from local files, web URLs, cloud storage, user-friendly interface, wide range of visualization options, charts, graphs, tables. So this is something that you can actually like try for yourself, and maybe you're gonna like it. And it's kind of straightforward. Now what is great about Zoho, that it got combination of multiple kind of like the multiple Zoho products. So it's not Zoho Analytics, but more of those. And you can have it like, as you can see, like the platform here, and the features from like the agentic AI, generative BI, predictive AI, AI Studio, just like a lot of stuff there. Now Looker Studio, that's like another thing. This is kind of like the formerly Google Data Studio. So now it's like Looker Studio, it's called. So works seamlessly with Google Stack, Google Analytics for Google Ads, Google Trends. Connecting to not Google data sources requires paid 30 app connectors. Transforms raw data into visual compelling reports and dashboards. Now another one that I want to actually like data visualization, that you can also check out the Canva, and you can actually see for yourself the using Canva and how you can actually like use it for like data visualization. That maybe you're gonna like it because it kind of like got the graphics, and I really like Canva. I actually like pay monthly for it. And also what I want to actually share with you is Notebook LM. because like with the Notebook LM, what you can actually do, I'm going to show you right here. When you can have data, let's say from the PDF that you would like to use, you can click here, create new, and then you're gonna have like, for example, data table or infographics, or you can even create your own slide deck for something that you find like important, or like how to work with that. So that's something that you can also check out for yourself, that you can like upload things to Notebook LM, and you're going to click slide deck or data table or infographic and see how it works. So okay, try it out. Lucidcharts, also another one, cloud-based intelligent diagramming application, build flowcharts, mockups, UML diagrams, and the diagrams automatically update as underlying data changes. So that's like very good. And Lucidchart is also interesting one. Maybe you're gonna like it too for your work. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So hope this video provided a little bit of value of the tools you can actually like expect. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.